Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the course of WordPress web development. In the previous class, in few classes we have seen that we are getting this preview over here. If I'm just scrolling down, for this course I'm getting this video preview. If I'm just clicking on this, then I will be able to see that there is a video preview which is going on. You can give this video preview. Let me just show you how to do that. You can even change the text of this ribbon and text of this blue ribbon over here. So in order to do that, just go to your course, click on edit over here. So now if you want to give the introduction about your course, then you can tell the introduction or whatever, what things that you will be teaching in the course, what things that your course contains and all in the preview video. So if you want to give the preview video, then you just have to go to the settings, just scroll down, and there was this option of course preview. Just scroll down and okay, so over here you just have to click on this enable the video preview, and you have to provide the link of this video preview. Okay, so whatever video that you want to show over here, you just have to provide the link. If suppose I want to provide the video preview of this link, then what I'll do, I'll come over here and I will paste that link over here. Okay, so this is basically the link of YouTube video. And the custom button text. Okay, custom button text is basically the text what you see over here on this button. Whatever text that you want on this button, I will enter that over here. I will say watch preview. Okay, and whatever text that you want on this ribbon, this green color ribbon, you just have to add it over here. I will say ribbon. Okay, so this is how you can change the content, and whatever short description that you see over here, this is the short description of this course. You can add that short description in this particular area. Okay, so whatever short description that you add, all that short description will be shown over here. Okay, so this is how you can change the front end of your course. Thanks for watching.